Did you know there's a creature that can age backward? Meet the immortal jellyfish. When faced with danger, it can revert to its juvenile form, defying nature's cycle. Now, how about the deep-sea anglerfish? With its bioluminescent lure, it attracts prey in complete darkness. And let's not forget the bizarre blobfish, often dubbed the world's ugliest animal. Its gelatinous body allows it to withstand deep-sea pressures. Can you guess which creature has 32 brains? That's right, the octopus. Each arm has its own mini-brain. These oddities showcase nature's creativity. What's your favorite marine oddity? Share your thoughts below.